Hey everyone, we're out on family land again today, helping with some cleanup, and we're going to be staying the night camping under the stars. Hopefully the weather holds, but we set up a tarp just in case. Our ride has already left, so we're effectively stranded here, if that sounds more exciting. I think it does. Thanks for joining us.
Filled with something. I don't want to open these doors because the first one I opened up, nothing but insulation and shells from.
We can probably empty that into a bag.
Oh yeah! Wow, that's a lot in the bottom. Yeah, it's like this. Look in the drawer there. It's just full. Oh goodness.
Is it mouse stuff?
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! How many mice lived in here?
Like an apartment today.
Oh!
Woo!
I was getting ready to say, make sure
That was a rat.
That was a rat. Wow!
You just had to do that, didn't you? I'm like, why is
The second I opened it, I was like, yesterday I was digging through some rocks and like a bunch of mice just scattered out.
To get this tarp on.
Yeah,
Put some of our stuff in under there now.
that's a sweet shelter.
All right, we need to go check on a burn pile, make sure it's smoldering down okay. Plus, these gnats are killing us. We need some outdoor AC.
Yes. It's so muggy here.
Well, we're already starting to get sprinkled on, but we need to get ourselves a fire going. Father, thank you for our supper.
Amen.
Does smell really good.
Campfire baked beans.
Little bean hot dog. I could listen to that all night. I kind of want to go down there and see if we can see any.
Oh yeah, we could. You want to take the headlamp?
I do see something shining there on the edge.
Oh, what is that? That looks like a mosquito.
Yeah, look right. Look at the edge of the pond between those two weeds sticking up. You see something shining
Oh
back?
yeah, I see that. They're so loud. Oh, that's so cool.
Sounds like they're all around us.
Yeah.
I don't want to step
I
on
mean,
them.
man, it almost hurts your ears.
Yeah. Let's see if we can find one. Right here. Down.
They're so tiny.
Strap them to the back? Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that. I don't know if I feel comfortable sleeping with that crawling around us. Oh, it doesn't even want to move. Ugh. Gross. Just sitting here watching the heat lightning in the distance and all the fireflies coming out in the trees. I'm not really set up to record them, but they look beautiful going off over there.
They do.
Now you grew up saying the other word for them.
Yes, we always said lightning bugs.
Yeah.
And I don't know if that's more of a mountain thing because you grew up in Florida. So, I don't know. Maybe it's regional.
What'd you think of that spider we just saw?
That's a little disconcerting.
Keep your mouth
Hopefully-
closed when you sleep.
Yes. Hopefully we're going to be tired enough that we won't think about it too much.
Yeah.
Hopefully he'll stay far, far away. But we are exhausted. It's been a really long day, right?
Very long. Very tired.
Oh,
We got a later start here than we expected. But we got a lot of work done around this
we got
property.
a lot of work done. Yeah, my brother bought this property several months ago now, but there was a lot of things left, and that had been sitting there for a really long time. So it was a little bit of a gruesome clean out today. I kind of missed it, but what was going on with that rat that you guys saw in the house?
Yeah, we were taking out a dresser that had all kinds of insulation and like acorns in all the drawers. And when we got it out of the house, we were kind of peeking in the drawers and all of a sudden a big rat popped out.
Oh.
I've never seen a rat. It ran into the house and ran up a wall and into a hole.
You said
I didn't know that they did that.
how big was it? It was like,
Yeah, just a full-size rat.
man. Yeah, because I've never really seen rats in these woods. It's more like just like the field mice. But that's scary. And then we almost burned the barn down at one point, and that was very scary, way worse than the rat. But thank God that did not happen.
Yeah, I think it just melted the plastic covering on the meter box a little bit.
Yeah, we were trying to get rid of some of the stuff by just like doing a burn pile, and some of the burning got a little carried away. I mean, it just did more than I think we were expecting it to.
It kind of caught us by surprise.
It did. We've had a lot of rain though, so I think that was one of the reasons we
there's
weren't quite as
Rain every day leading
Yeah.
up to this.
yeah. And it's supposed to rain tonight, and all day tomorrow, or the first part of tomorrow at least.
Man, what time is it? It's
I don't
getting
know, it's
close
almost
to 10.
like 10.
It is 10. 10:01.
Whew. We got to get to bed soon. We got to wake up early, make a big breakfast, and clean some more, and head home.
Just don't want to roast some marshmallows. Make some hot tang.
Sure you want to?
Maybe one.
One marshmallow?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll grab it.
It was mostly a cleanup, but you did find some treasures today too.
Yes, you actually found a whole set of the Chronicles of Narnia books that was made back in the 50s.
Yeah, those were
Which was
actually printed
really
in the
neat.
50s.
Yeah, they were printed in the 50s, yes. And I found some vintage plates that I think we're going to take home.
We'll have to try to work them into a video.
Yeah, they're actually pretty light too, so we could probably put them in a backpack and show you guys. I know some of you like that type of thing.
Ooh, that's looking good.
We are going to make some hot tang. Growing up, I always made Russian tea, or my family did. And it was tang and instant tea and spices. And it was one of my favorites. But this is hot tang. I've never had it by itself before. So we'll see how it tastes.
It tastes good.
Yeah, Tim had it on his camp out. The smoke keeps following us. That does taste good. Also has vitamin C.
Alright guys, it's pretty late. We're heading to bed. We'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Well, it is raining a lot more this morning than we expected, so might have to cut this video short. Not sure what the plan is at this point.
We might have to make breakfast down in the barn on the butane stove. I feel like the more to the south, the better.
Kept the fire going all night, so I think we're gonna have some hot drink this morning. And we got everything else mostly packed up. I'm gonna take some stuff down to the barn with the four-wheeler, and then we might just have some pancakes on the butane stove under the tarp shelter here before packing it in.
It's not supposed to rain this month.
No.
It's a little hot. Not too bad.
All right, looks like we're gonna have pancakes down in the barn. Get a little more work done and then head home for showers and maybe some ice cream.
Yes. That sounds amazing. We got a lot of stuff to put away when we get home though.
Yeah, and
Wet.
it's all
A lot of
wet.
stuff.
Isn't that better than
Put way too much coffee in it. Had to add a bunch of sugar in it.
These are really good.
That's a dang stack of pancakes.
It's from candy.
We're back home, we're showered, and very exhausted. That was kind of a lot to pack into 2 days. But we did have fun, and we hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Big thank you to Jess's brother for letting us use his land. And now it's time for some ice cream. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hello, everyone. I just breathed in a bug.
Oops. Something bit me.
We're already started.
I'll just sort of swipe it on this maybe.
Spider?
No.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! How many mice lived in here?
Oh!
I was getting ready to say, make sure
That was a rat.